What's up, everybody? Welcome to the TL family. His first car. Unfortunately, it needs a starter, dry belt tensioner, and a battery, and the front brakes rotors need to be cut. A lot of vibration. So today I'm gonna show you how to replace a starter. Before we start, guys, I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for all the support, guys. All right, let's get right to it. First, what we got to do is remove the battery cover, and your starter is actually right where that orange little sticker is. That is the starter assembly. All right, as you can see, we have the battery out. Remove that cover that goes right on top of the intake. This little tube right here is where the air gets sucked in at. I can tell somebody's been here before. It's a brand new bolt, so I don't know what they did. The starter is held on by 3 bolts. Where my finger is, you got this one 17mm, and right on the bottom of it, there's another 17mm. And then you got the power cable, and then you got the 2 wires that connects to it. So 4 things you got to remove. So first, I got to remove this top 17 bolt. This is the easiest bolt right here. Already loosened it. All right, this is the hardest part of the job. So now that we removed the top starter bolt, the bottom starter bolt, that is the most difficult one. So actually,
This fool just ripped out my intake.
Nope, that's not gonna work. I need a shorter ratchet. We'll try a ratchet in a deep 17.
You can't see.
I know you can't see nothing, but
That's all. Oh yeah, you can see that.
here we go. I should get this. There we go. We got it.
Ooh.
Easy money. Ooh. Their starter is super easy to replace. So this was actually the hardest part, was removing the bottom starter bolt, and we got it removed with just a regular ratchet and a deep 17. This is 3/8, by the way. So let's take it out. All right, the bottom one is removed. Now I just gotta take this out. All right, I got that pop right out, the skinniest wire. Now the last wire we have. I think yeah, that's a 12mm. Man, you've been freaking talking too much. You're like a girl. All right, guys, there is your starter. That took maybe like 20 minutes. Starter removed. And this one is worn out. And this one. Oh man. That other one. What you doing? You got no screwdriver, Lily. All right, brother, got your starter out. Yay. Let's install it in the reverse way. And that's it. It's very easy, guys. And looks like the previous owner did do a lot of work to it. Looks like I can tell the shift solenoids on the transmissions are actually new. You know, those 2-cylinder looking things, those are new. Engine mount is pretty new. They replaced the engine mount, the side engine mount, and possibly the rear engine mount. So they did quite a few work on this thing, and you could tell the paint is actually really nice, except for that chip right there. And this car is completely stock, and nobody's ever abused it. Dude, you got a really good deal, man. They recently replaced the power steering pump also. Dry belt's a little squeaky, but tension on it's pretty good. Looks like a O2 sensor's probably been replaced also recently. AC compressor is actually brand new also. In the mornings, the dry belt makes like a squeaky noise, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that too. We got a Honda belt right here. How we're gonna do the dry belt, a quick little trick, guys, is if you write a layout of how it looks, like a little map, that way when you take that off, you don't forget. The only tool you're going to need is a 14mm wrench. I got a longer one here. First thing you want to do is remove this power steering reservoir. And I just push it right there. So if you have a shorter wrench, what you can always do is, if you pretend this is a 14mm and it's too short, you can't get enough leverage to turn your tensioner, what you can do is get another wrench and hold it like that.
I didn't even think about that one.
That way you get more leverage. And then go to your dry belt tensioner. Because I know how.
So why was it? You got it out. Good job, bro.
All right, drive belt is completely out. Usually aftermarket belts, they make a lot of noise, so what I like to do is buy Honda, OEM Honda belts, so that way it doesn't make any noise, and they last longer too. So we're gonna put the belt like okay. That's in there, and I'll just start. I'll look this up. I actually remember how it goes. Yeah. All right, so I got my 14 here.
You start recording with the phone, bro.
I'm gonna put this over the tensioner first, and then I'm gonna leave the alternator. I'm gonna leave the belt off of the alternator.
So what benefits you from doing that?
When I push the pulley back, then I can take the belt and put it over the alternator.
Okay, that's cool. Cool.
All right, it's back. Oh, that hurts.
Big boy, thank you. Nice.
Gotta make sure. Oh, I actually it's not over the pulley over there. You see, it's kind of off.
Oh, wait, where?
So I'm gonna fix that.
Oh, I see it.
Okay, now it's over it. What you want to make sure is, that the belt is all in the grooves and it's not hanging out over the pulleys. So it looks pretty good. All right, you want to start it up?
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Like the video if you like it, and subscribe for more. Appreciate you guys. Thanks.